Aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. And if you follow how I pronounced it slowly, don't do it too fast, you will actually pick up English a lot easier than if you were pronouncing fast, because you can increase your speed. You can say aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. So you increase your speed like a little child. That's how you need to actually learn the language. And if you have a problem with one word, leave a comment down below and I will get around to showing you how to pronounce it. Thank you very much and have an awesome English learning time. Hooroo!